Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now this case is made by Ringke. It's the Ringke Air case. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Ringke Air case. This is the black, smoke black. They got 4 colors. You got the clear, rose bronze, and glitter clear. But this is $9.99 on Prime. So it's I've used this on the S20 Ultra, and it's nice and slim but good grip, sticky. So wanted to get it for the Note 20 Ultra. Let's go ahead and I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. All right. You got the Ringke wrapper here, Ringke branding. Pretty simple eco package. Let's pull this apart. Had a little trouble getting that out right there. So it's pretty simple. They put the little card inside. Thank you card, information card. We don't need that. But this is the case right here. It's got a little dot pattern inside. You can't see it, but it's kind of, you can hear that. This is nice clear case with TPU material. The camera's going to be raised and well protected. You got your buttons right there that are open. Power button by up and down rocker. And you got your mic hole right there. You got your opening for your mic, charging port, speaker, and your S Pen right there. And you got a lanyard open right there. And I think there might be some Ringke branding. Got a lanyard open right there as well. No branding on this though. At least I don't see any right now. Well, that's right on the back. Ringke branding right there. All right. But it's somewhat clear, but it's smoke. All right. And it's going to look pretty decent on this black Note 20 Ultra. All right. So let's go ahead and get the device, put it inside, see what it looks like. Okay, we got the Note 20 Ultra right here. We're going to go ahead and put it inside the case. See how it looks. Hopefully it fits well. Put the bottom in first. So nice snug fit. Very slim, very sleek. All right, the camera's going to be well protected there. No problem there. Mic hole lines up well. And everything on the bottom here lines up well also. You can see that. S Pen over here. I get to that pretty easily. Got the speaker and your port right there. The sides come up enough to protect the screen. And you got the lips right here on the front, so it's going to protect the glass on the front. But it feels good, nice and slim and sticky. You got some grip there, all right? So I like that. So I'll be using this for my case here. I don't like big cases, thick cases, but this works pretty well for me, okay? No movement when I squeeze, so it's fitting pretty snug. If you gotta move, work pretty hard to get the movement, but it's snug enough. It works. It's good enough. All right, let's check out wireless charge and see how this works. Okay, so we got the wireless charger. Let's go ahead and put this on. All right, so it picks up wireless charge, no problem there. So that's pretty good. Didn't think we'd have a problem. They work pretty well most of the time. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Ringke Air case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This is a slim case. It's nice grip. It's going to give you minimal protection. You can't throw it across the room, but it will protect from scratches, minor drops. So if you want a slim case that doesn't break the bank under $10, this might be the one for you, all right? If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.